Okay, everyone. This is a kookaburra, right? Kookaburra?
Yep.
Okay. And what is the noise that he makes? You hear that? Okay, so she's playing that on the phone. Oh, whoa. Whoa, he just about took my head off. There he is. He went up in the tree. See him way over there? Okay.
There's another one over there.
Can't see him now.
There's another one over there.
Where, honey? Okay, 1 second, everybody. Don't mean to give you a headache. There. Look, you see? This is the national bird for Australia. Okay? All right? There you go. We'll get another video later. We're going to go eat something because guess what? Believe it or not, okay? I feel like I'm stoned, all right? I still haven't adjusted to the time. Right now, I would already be in bed for at least 3 to 4 hours sleeping where I live, right? So anyways, I'm going to go get some food, get grounded, and we'll come back and we'll do the lecture. Bye now.